So in this video, let's see how to compute a variable in Jamovi. So I was having the demo dataset, so I'll open it. Here, go to open and open the dummy dataset here. So now in this dataset, we can see that I have variables for weight and height. Now let's say I want to compute a variable and calculate BMI from weight and height. So let's see how to do that. We'll go to the data tab. Just click on compute the variable. Here we can name the variable as BMI. Now we want to select from which variable we want to compute. So let's say first I'll take height. So as when you double click the height, it will get added here. And as we all know, the formula for BMI is weight in kg upon height in meter square. So I have added weight in kilogram. Now I'll just give a divided by symbol, and again in the bracket I will add height. When you double click the height, it will get added, and a multiply symbol, and again double click the height variable and close the bracket and just press enter, so that we can see now in this data set the BMI value has been added. So in the same way we can compute any variable in the Jamovi itself using the formula, given that we know the formula. So that was it about the computing of the variable. In the next video we'll see about how to add filter in the Jamovi. Thank you.